In this video, we're going to install a Quooker Flex tap. For this installation, you will need a crosshead screwdriver and a set of spanners from sizes 10 to 22. If you don't yet have a 35mm tap hole in your worktop, drill it first or ask an experienced installer to do it. Or you could call our service desk for advice. We'd be happy to help. Unbox the tap and connect the hot, cold and mixing water hoses. Tighten them carefully with spanner sizes 10 and 12. Squeeze the tap pipes together, then pass them one by one through the tap hole. Make sure that the flex coupling is able to move freely up and down about 40 cm beneath the tap hole. The coupling also serves as a counterweight. Place the metal washer and threaded ring around the hoses. Tighten the threaded ring by hand and adjust the position of the tap so the Quooker logo faces front. Tighten the threaded ring by securing it with the 2 screws provided. Push both the pull-out hose and mixer hose into the coupling's quick-release fitting. Ensure that the metal part is fully inserted. Press them firmly into the coupling, then pull them back gently to ensure they are secured firmly. If you have the combi, you should now install the tank. If you have the Pro 3 or Pro 7, you should now insert the inlet hose screens, then connect the hot and cold water hoses to the mains. Tighten with spanner size 19. In case there are no tap tail adapters installed, start with these first. They are not supplied. Check that the coupling counterweight can move freely. If necessary, carefully bend the tap pipe slightly and remove any cords and obstacles. If you need to, you can detach the hoses from the coupling by using the quick release tool. Simply press the tool flat against the coupling, then pull the hose out. You can now continue by installing your Quooker tank. The tap that does it all. Quooker.